if you'll join me, we'll start tapping on the side of the hand. And then, of course, we go to the eyebrow point, side of the eye, under the nose, on the chin, on the collarbone, under the arm. I'll do it on this side so you can see, under the arm, and then top of the head, okay? So let's start tapping. Even though I woke up with some stress in my body, I fully love and accept myself this morning. Even though I woke up with some stress in my body this morning and some anxious feelings about the day, I fully love and accept my feelings about this. And I'm ready to release them now. I'm releasing these feelings so I can have a happy and productive day. I choose to release any and all feelings I accumulated in the night that might hinder me from having a happy and productive day. I release any and all negative feelings so I can replace that with optimism and awareness of all the miracles and synchronicities happening around me. Tap on the eyebrow point and say release. 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 I choose to release any negative feelings that might hinder me from recognizing all the miracles and synchronicities that are supporting me right now. I choose to release any and all negative feelings that might prevent me from feeling optimistic and productive. I choose to see and feel and hear all the beautiful things around me so I can enjoy my day and feel happier and more productive and more motivated. I choose to fill myself with gratitude for all the beauty, the synchronicities, and the miracles that support me. Take a deep breath. I hope you have a wonderful day and keep tapping.